the Hunt Forest Precision Ag team. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to get your variable rate prescription files from USB transferred across to your tractor and put them into operation. So first of all, put the USB into the slot on the side of your console. Wait for the message to pop up on the display. So what would you like to do? We would like to import the data from the USB. Okay, once we get to this page, we would like to import from the USB drive. So just press next. This is the only folder that we've got in here. So we'll tap that, press next, and it will show us what is in that folder. So in that folder we have 9 prescriptions. So if we're happy with that, we'll press import. Go ahead with that. Cool. So data is successfully imported. So press OK. At this point you can remove the USB stick. You don't need that anymore. So I'll take that out and cross off of this page, and then now we'll set the file up. So go into main menu, across to applications, go down to work setup. So once you're in work setup, we just want to go through this whole page step by step and make sure everything is correct and we're happy with it. So location to start with, so that is wrong, so we'll tap that. It's detected these boundaries. You can go through the fields and boundaries section and manually choose one, but it has detected these boundaries as we're sat in the corner of the field. So we're sat in roadside, so press OK. There we go, so now it's loaded roadside. Equipment, so we've got a 6R tractor, a seeder planter, so we've used a seed drill for this variable rate file. Obviously if you have a fertilizer spreader, it'll display it differently in there. So if we're happy with the equipment and the implement, we go across to what we're doing. So the type of work we're doing is planting and seeding. Crop we're going to be doing is winter wheat, so we'll tap that to change it. Scroll down to find winter wheat, press OK. We'll be doing new work. Variety, tap that, go into here. So the variety we're going to be doing today is Kerin. If you don't have any varieties in there, you can press add variety down here and manually enter it, and they'll be stored in the display. Press OK, press OK again, and there we go. So we've got planting, seeding, our crop and our variety. So if we're happy with that, the minute we're on a controller rate, so that is a fixed rate from the controller on the seed drill. So we'll tap controller rate, then we want to select RX. Once we selected RX, tap this white box, and here we go. It will drop down the list of prescription files that we just imported. So we are going to be doing roadside here. So we tap the top one, press OK. So it brings us into our prescription rate setup. So at the top there you can see the name of the file, and here we've got the look ahead and the multiplier. So the look ahead is enter a number of seconds to look ahead for prescription rate changes. This compensates for a delay when the control unit makes a rate change and the equipment responds. And then we've got multiplier. So the multiplier will enter a percentage value used to adjust all rates in the prescription. So values above 100% will increase all the rates, and likewise values below 100% will decrease all of the rates. So then look across here, we've got a minimum and a maximum rate, loss of GPS and out of range. So we will tap on this box here, there's further settings. So again, we've got the name of the prescription, we've got rate column, so this will be given to you by your provider of the shapefile. So there'll be various different names in here, but we'll select that one. So just be careful of this one where it says rate column units. We've got seeds a hectare in here, so this drill has got capabilities of that. So just make sure for fertilizer, for example, you've got it in the correct units that you want. So kilos a hectare, or whatever it might be. So we tap in there. It should only give us a couple of options there. So we want to be seeds a hectare for this. So go down, so we've got no GPS rate, so we will just tick maintain previous rate. We can untick that and put a rate in there. So if you'd like to put kilos or seeds a hectare, whatever it is in there, you can. But if we just go maintain previous, that should be good. Same for out of zone rate, so if you're out of your shapefile, this is the rate that it will go to by default. So if we're happy with these settings, we'll press OK, and then we're happy with this shape file, we will press save. So now you can see we've got the correct field, the correct equipment, the correct crop, variety, and the target rate of the RX file we've just imported. So if we're happy with everything, we'll press OK, go back to our home page, and here you can see we are set in the corner roadside field with our variable rate map loaded and ready to go. So that is it all set up. If you require any more information, just contact or any more help, just contact one of the Precision Ag team members here at Hunt Forest Group, and we should sort you out. Thank you very much.